In this video, we will explain you how to get credits on Hailuo AI. In the past, there was a different situation with the credits, but at the moment it's still available to get the free credits on Hailuo, and I will show you what you need to do. So to get the free credits, in this case 200 credits on Hailuo, you need to sign up and create an account. Click the subscribe button. As you can see, you can subscribe for free. You can generate 6-second videos. You can have up to 3 tasks in queue, and only one task can run at a time, guys. So you can subscribe to this free plan. Let's click on this free plan. Let's continue with Google. And as you can see, congratulations on earning. We earned 200 points credits on Hailuo. So this is the only method to get free credits on Hailuo. In the past, there was daily free credits. As I remember, until June of this year, you could just log in every day and you could get the free daily credits. But after June, this is not available anymore. So the only way to get the free credits is sign up on Hailuo. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.